These flying dragon videos are going insanely viral right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create an entire series of these cinematic AI videos completely on autopilot. But before we start, just take a look at this TikTok account called Awakened Worlds. They already have over 117,000 followers, multiple viral videos, and this one alone has over 9 million views. But if that's not enough, I found another page called Povia, and they've only uploaded 17 videos so far, but they already have hundreds of thousands, even millions, of views on multiple posts and almost 500,000 likes. So yeah, this trend is blowing up like crazy right now. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, first things first. To create these videos, we're going to use this AI agent called Runnable. There's a link in the description below, but you can also just search Runnable on Google and click on this link. Once you sign in, go to the bottom left corner, click Settings, then go to Preferences. Here, set the image model to Nano Banana 2, and for video generation, make sure Seedance 2.0 Fast is selected. You can use the higher quality version called Seedance 2.0, but it uses way more credits, so honestly, I recommend using the fast version because it's much more efficient. Once that's done, close the settings window and paste in this fully editable prompt. Don't worry, all the prompts are in the description below, so you can literally just copy and paste everything. In this first prompt, I'm asking the AI to create 5 different scenes, but you can easily change that to 10 scenes, 20 scenes, or even more if you want to create a bigger batch of videos. Also, with this prompt, the scenes stay pretty similar to each other. Later in the video, I'll show you another version that creates much more realistic dragons with way more variety, so stay to the end. At the bottom of both prompts, I tell the AI to first generate the images and only the first video, then ask me if I want to continue. This is really important because it stops you from wasting credits if you don't like the images or the first clip. So once the images look good and the first video comes out nice, you can simply type "create the rest of the videos" into the chat and the AI will generate everything else automatically. So now let's paste the prompt into the chat box and hit enter. As you can see, the AI immediately starts generating the images and the first video, and honestly, the results look really good. Just take a look at these images. And let's watch first video. Now let's type "create the rest of the videos" in the chat, and in under a minute, the AI finishes the rest of the clips automatically. All right, let's check out the final results. Now we're going to use the second prompt to create way more realistic flying dragon videos with much smoother movement and way more cinematic-looking scenes. And honestly, these results look absolutely insane. Let me show you some images and videos I already created using this prompt. As you can see, the dragons look way more realistic, the lighting looks much better, and now let's take a look at the videos too. As you can see, the movement feels much more natural and cinematic overall. And yes, this exact prompt is also in the description below. So let's copy the entire prompt and paste it into the chat. Just like before, the AI will first generate all the images and the first video, so you can preview everything before creating the rest of the clips. And literally within a few seconds, it starts generating some really crazy results. Just take a look at these images. And now, look at the video quality and movement in these clips. So now let's create the rest of the clips. All we need to do is type "create the rest of the videos" in the chat, and the AI will automatically generate everything else for us. Now we just wait a few seconds for the AI to finish rendering all the scenes. And there you have it. Just like that, you now have a full batch of cinematic flying dragon videos ready to post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Honestly, this looks like something straight out of a movie. Anyway, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. All the links and prompts are in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one.